In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator to enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account in just 5 minutes. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by requiring not only your password but also a code generated by an Authenticator app. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to linkedin.com. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing the URL into the address bar. Once there, log in by choosing either your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply use your email address and password. If you've previously activated two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account using a code sent to your registered phone number. Don't worry, this is a standard security procedure to ensure it's actually you trying to log in. Before we move on, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. You can find it in the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store for iOS devices. This app is essential for generating the codes necessary to complete the two-factor authentication process. With the app installed, next, navigate back to LinkedIn and click on your profile icon located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account's settings page. Here, look for the Sign In and Security section in the menu. Once there, find and select two-step verification. You'll see an option to turn on two-step verification. Go ahead and click this option. As a verification method, choose Authenticator app. This will allow you to use Google Authenticator to generate the necessary verification codes. After selecting the Authenticator app method, click Continue. At this point, LinkedIn will prompt you to re-enter your account password as a security measure. This step ensures that you're the account owner making these changes. Now open your Google Authenticator app and tap the plus icon, or look for an option that says Add Account. Within the options provided, select Other and designate LinkedIn as the account name. This helps keep your accounts organized within the app. Upon doing this, LinkedIn will present you with either a secret key or a QR code. Use the Google Authenticator app to either scan the QR code or enter the key manually. Once you've added LinkedIn to your app, it will begin generating 6-digit verification codes. To finalize the setup, enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app into the LinkedIn prompt to verify your device. If everything is set correctly, your LinkedIn account is now fortified with two-factor authentication, making it significantly more secure against unauthorized access. Following these steps not only boosts your account security, but also brings you peace of mind, knowing your professional network is safeguarded. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for more help, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips.